All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle clear case here for my iPhone SE. Now this is going to be the clear version, as you can see here, it says clear. It's only $12.99 guys with Prime shipping, one-day shipping in my area, so maybe in yours. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Now Supcase was kind enough to send this case out for review, so big thank you and shout out to them for supporting my channel. But as far as the unboxing experience goes, it's pretty simple. As you can see, you have some wrapping that's on it, that clear plastic wrapping, and it is a clear case like I mentioned. Now it does come with some little plastic wrap on it which will peel off. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and do the interior one first, if I can get my finger through there. All right, and the back. All right, so very crystal clear case here, guys. As you can see, it is military drop protection as far as that goes. So you do have some really nice reinforced bumpers here that are going to help with drop protection. So let's grab my product red iPhone SE here. Let me try to wipe it off real quick so that way we don't get some gunk in there, and push it in, and there we go. So let me wipe the back of the phone or the case down real quick, try to get it as clean as I can, and there it is. So there is the product red iPhone SE in the clear case here. Looks very good, guys. Got a really nice generous little cutout there for the camera and the flash there. It is clear, so it's matching obviously the actual back, so it's no like black bumper or anything like that. It's a very clear back here. There's no dots or anything. You can see the logo there just fine. Product red. It does have kind of a little simple Supcase branding here, kind of like that ghosted frosted bottom there. So it looks really good on the back. Now as far as the sides go, it is very clear, as you can see here. Now we do get the little dotted patterns that are going to help with the clinging on the sides, so that way you don't get like the watermark look. You can see the SIM card tray there. You do even have some cutouts for some lanyards if you wanted to like use a lanyard or something. The power button is clear, but it's fairly flush actually. It's not raised unfortunately, but obviously you can see where it's at. And then if you go to the bottom here, you can kind of see like that reinforced corner. And then we have some nice little cutouts for the lightning port and our speakers and mic. And then here on this side, obviously there is nothing except clearness once again, but we do have our volume up and down buttons, which once again are very flush with the case side, but you can see the little white, more frosted markings in the middle to let you know the volume up and downs there. And a really generous cutout for the alert slider here. And then obviously nothing at the top. Now on the front, we do have some pretty nice little lips going completely around the screen. So definitely getting some screen protection with this case. And then there's the look of it on the front. So pretty nice looking. There's the front again. There's the back. So now let's go ahead and test kind of the wobble, kind of shakiness of the case. So let's do the face down first test. There is no shake. And then if we do back down, no shake at all either. Extremely flat, guys, as you can see there. So very flat. Now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, very clicky buttons. So the only downside is they're not raised, but some people are gonna like that, some aren't. I'm a bigger fan of the raised buttons myself, but I will take these just because, I don't know, it just is a pretty nice little seamless feel there. But once again, I do like them sticking up a tad bit. And let's see how easy it is to get to that alert slider there. So let me turn on the screen there. So pretty easy, guys. It's a very generous cutout, so I'm barely using my fingernails there. So very nice. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and grab my Qi wireless charger here. Let's stick it on. And as you can see, it instantly recognizes that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So no issues at all with Qi wireless charging. If you do want to use your MagSafe charger, obviously there's no magnets on the SE model, but it will act as a Qi wireless charger if you just set it on the table. And you can do Apple Pay with ease. I actually just did it about 20 minutes ago at McDonald's. So no problem there. So there you go, guys. There is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle clear case for the SE. It does fit the S and 8 as well, just FYI. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.